Hey guys, in this video I'll show you to watch TikTok videos offline. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright guys, open up TikTok on your mobile device. And then once you've opened up TikTok, go ahead and click onto your profile. And then from here you want to click onto the hamburger looking icon, top right hand corner of the page here. And then on this page here, you've got offline videos. Go ahead and click into that. So you've got a few choices here. It says here, download videos to watch offline. They'll be refreshed with new content when you're next connected to Wi-Fi. So if you want to do 50 videos, select 50. If you want to do 100, 150, 200, etc., select the amount of videos you want to be able to watch offline. So if you want to do 100 videos, which equates to 50-minute watch time, go ahead and click on the red download button, and then it says here continue uses cellular data for this download. I'm going to click continue, but if you're on Wi-Fi this might not appear. Alright, now it's going to go ahead and download 100 videos offline. So these are all the videos that they're going to download offline. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to download and watch videos offline inside TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.